As a 964 911, this coupe is arguably one of the most desirable Porsches ever created. As a 1994 911 that sports a 3.6-liter turbocharged engine, it's the most exclusive version of one of the most desirable Porsches ever created. And since that turbocharged engine has been carefully modified, the car is quite spirited. 1990 saw the introduction of 964 3.3-liter turbos, which totaled roughly 5,000 cars throughout the production run. But it was the roughly 1,400 units of this car, the vaunted Turbo 3.6, that cemented the model's legacy as one of Stuttgart's greatest creations. Dressed in a timeless coat of black two-stage, this coupe reflects a clean profile that appears to have been meticulously pampered since new. Wide wheel arches, integrated bumpers, and flush fog lights are all welcome features to one of the world's most elite sports cars. A true driver's car, this 911 wraps world-class vehicle dynamics in world-class luxury. Heavily bolstered buckets feature power adjustment. A crack-free dash hangs traditional 5-pod gauges next to factory air conditioning, a passenger's airbag, and modern Kenwood audio. A narrow console centers a short gear selector between Tech Art foot pedals, and the driver commands the road through an airbag-equipped steering wheel. As a 1994 only offering, the 3.6-liter intercooled engine under the bonnet is forced air through an upgraded turbocharger, taking the factory 355 horsepower rating to new levels. That power travels to the rear wheels through a 5-speed manual gearbox. Highly exclusive and extremely powerful, this incredible 911 is a no-compromises exercise in world-class driving. Make no mistake, this is a rare opportunity to get behind the wheel of one of the most desirable Porsches ever created. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.